Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
No, thank you.
How's it going, everybody? Here at the San Joaquin News Network channel, we don't look down upon you if you hate cops. We don't look down upon you if you love cops. This isn't an anti-cop channel or a pro-cop channel either. What we do here is highlight videos that could ultimately teach us what to do if we find ourselves in a situation dealing with police. Now, if you're a police officer watching these videos, you might want to take into consideration what not to do on a traffic stop. On this channel, we do highlight good officers as well as bad officers. We try to focus on the policies that allow them to misbehave, and we try to spread awareness on those policies and what we can do to change those policies for the betterment of everyone involved. Just like we spread the word of qualified immunity, we are seeing a change throughout the nation. With that being said, here's another video that you can all learn from. This man does a fantastic job. Make sure you guys go subscribe. I will drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. I will see you guys over there. Here's your video.
Being recorded for my safety.
Okay. Well, you need to answer my questions, okay? We got a call from a concerned
No, thank you.
citizen that you were acting suspicious
Okay.
out here, confronting people, trying to force them to buy your truck.
Uh,
And that sound familiar? Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you?
no, thank you.
You don't have a choice. You have to provide that upon demand.
Why? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Not sure yet. Well, one, you're illegally parked. So that right there is.
Okay, well, I'm
I
gonna
need your driver's license.
invoke my Fifth Amendment right and not answer any more questions
You
without
don't
my
have to
lawyer
answer any
present.
questions, but you need to provide your driver's license.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
You're illegally parked.
What code is that?
I don't know the ordinance off the top of my head. Why are you shaking so bad, man?
Because cops like to kill people.
Okay, I don't like to kill people.
Okay. Why'd you become a cop then?
To help people.
I'm sure.
Here nor now. So, driver's license.
No, thank you.
You don't have a choice. You're illegally parked. You need to provide me with your driver's license.
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I just told you, you are illegally parked. You need to see this.
This is private property.
You're illegally parked.
You have a county ordinance against parking in
Yes,
Home
we do.
Depot?
Yes.
I highly doubt
Provide
that.
me your driver's license.
Are you filming?
He's getting around. Call it the tag.
Can I see your ID?
It's right there.
That's not ID. You have to perform You have to provide me with 3 forms of identification. How do I know you're a real cop? You didn't steal that uniform from a cop you just killed.
That's not me.
How do I know that?
I'm telling you that. Take my word on it.
What's your name?
My name is Deputy Stokes.
Can I
What is
see
your
a
name?
badge or an ID?
Badge is down here.
You want to show me?
If you'd like to look over the window, you can see
I
it.
mean, I don't want to move suddenly and get shot by Mr. Felon over here. What's your name?
My name is Deputy Stokes. What's your name?
You gotta provide me your name instead of the driver's license.
Hey, why are you walking up so close to him? Are you gonna kill that young man because he's recording for my safety? Why? What crime do you suspect him of committing? It's none of your business what we're doing. Did I stumble into Nazi Germany or papers, please?
Are you confused, sir?
We've been called in as a suspicious vehicle. It's for sale. Suspicious about that. Does he have ID on it?
Won't provide it.
That's fine. We'd be happy to leave. Thank you. I'm gonna put it on.
write him a ticket for that?
In many videos, police officers are asked if they can state their oath, and they usually don't remember it. Other law enforcement agencies have different police oaths, so make sure you know what oath you're being policed under. So many different factors vary the outcomes of how police interactions go, like discretion. This allows police to let people go with the warning or charge them with the crime and jail them. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you.